Yo, excuse me, man, it sound bad. It is I, the calm before the storm, Qstorm, back with another one, part 2. Excuse me. I'm gonna be doing all this over here driving downtown. I just dropped the lady off. She had a pit bull. Yeah, a pit bull, folks. Mixed with boxer. Nice lady, nice dog. Surprisingly enough, the dog wasn't, feisty at all. It was just, quiet. But, lady, nice conversation. Dog didn't do, dog was quiet. And I'm like I said, I'm not an animal, I don't hate animals or stuff like that, but, with my, with me having animals in this car here, I don't really agree with it. Now, this policy that Uber and Lyft has about service animals, I'm gonna have to look at it closely, man. I'm just gonna look to see if it has anything to do with just animals, all animals, period. Because I don't think it's fair that we as ride sharers are jeopardizing our lives just so a person who has an animal can get to and fro to where they need to go. The lady who I picked up, she needed to take her dog to the vet to get neutered. And like I said, I'm not an animal hater, but after the ride was over with, now mind you, let me start from the beginning from the ride. What she did was she had a towel with her to cover, to try and cover the seat where the dog would be. And after the ride was over with, man, my allergies were just kicking up because she was telling me a story about she has a cat too, and I'm allergic to cats personally. And she says her dog thinks the cat has 2 kittens, so her dog thinks the 2 kittens is her own kittens, his own kittens, and so he plays with them, lets the kittens lay on him and all this other stuff. So I don't know, my allergies are kicking in. I get my allergies starts kicking in as soon as it starts summer and the weather starts warming up. It could be because of the weather, but something just told me I should have took my Claritin pill today, because normally this doesn't happen, but now you can tell my voice sounds a little bit different and all, and I had to go down with the windows, wind down the windows down a bit. I think I'm okay now. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to find some place to park and get all this doggone dog hair out, so I can get my car clean, so I can start doing some more rides again. And what pisses me off is, for me, this is my last day to get the bonus. It's a Thursday, and the bonus ends at 4 a.m. But I usually try to get it all done the day before, because I don't want to be out for wee hours of the night trying to get this bonus. So I try to get it all done the day before. And I'm gonna just go ahead, stop off, vacuum out my car, spray it down, and I'll be back and rolling again. But anyway, please please comment and subscribe. What do you think about these animals being in the car? Me personally, I don't think we should be able to allow folks to have animals in the car. Like I said, I'm not an animal hater, because obviously I done had animals in my car. But you suffer the consequences. And not only that, that one ride was a 40-minute ride from where that lady lived at to downtown. And not only that, she tipped me. So I got a $9 tip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. $9 tip. So is it worth it? Huh? Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I don't know. All right, peace, folks.